Where have you hurt? Where have you hurt? No, it's right. Where are you hurt?
My leg!
Your leg?
Broken!
Alright, keep still as you can. Keep still as you can. Can you roll on your back for me?
No!
No? Are you more comfortable like that?
Ambulance.
Is anywhere else on you hurt? Is your back?
Yes. Yes.
Right, don't
Well,
move.
I've just been involved in a car collision with a motorbike coming down in Minehead.
Please don't try and move. Keep as still as you can.
Sorry?
Can I get your name? Please?
No!
Western Lane, DA24.
Alright. Ambulance!
It's bottom of Western Lane and Park.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
077 392 61022.
How are you, sir? Sorry, I'm just trying to get this information for the paramedic.
It's just one, the driver, he thinks he might have broken his leg. Can you ask him how old he is?
I have. He's not answering and he said
He's
no.
not answering at the moment. I think he's in too much pain. But
The bike is leaking petrol.
Okay.
Turn off the ignition.
Sorry?
Don't know how
Turn off the ignition, the key, just turn it to the left.
I would say 55, 60.
Yep, that's fine.
Yes.
Can I get your name, please?
Yes.
Oh, fuck!
Careful. Keep still as you can.
Correct, yes.
Hey, sweetie. Are the kids yours, yeah? Yeah, they are, yeah. Just inside the wooden gate there. I've got
Sorry?
a trampoline in the garden.
No,
Do you
no,
need
this...
to-
No.
yeah, if you could take...
Well, he's
I
lying
know
under
you
the
who you are
motorbike.
anyway. Do you?
But he has
Yeah, he
moved.
used to hang around with you in Farringdon. Oh my god, yes! Heck yeah. So,
I wouldn't have said so, he's just trying to get comfy.
Would you be able to take the kids for me for a minute? Yeah, I'm just in that wooden
Yes.
gate across the road, alright? Yeah.
Right, don't try and move too much
No obvious injury.
because
No,
you need to have your helmet
Well,
took
he
off
thinks he might
properly.
have broken his leg. He's quite calm
I
at the
think
moment.
at the minute where he's calm and he's not hurt, he is
Not
hurting.
hurting.
No, but you're in a more comfortable position than you moving. I think leave it on for now.
I can't see any.
Whoa! Wait!
Okay.
Sorry sir, can I get your name? I'm just trying to get you some help with the ambulance.
Okay.
He shouted now at me, so.
Are you right to give me your name?
No.
Pardon? No? Okay, no, he won't give me his name.
He won't give it.
He won't give his name.
Below the right knee is damaged.
Sorry?
Below the right knee is
Below
damaged.
the right knee is damaged.
Is there anything I can get for you to help you be in a better position? Do you need a pillow or
He said he's
Something
a
to
blanket?
support you, support your head.
Yes.
Lie still, sweetheart, as much as you can. I know it
I
hurts.
think he's on the phone to the ambulance service at the minute as well.
No.
Did you hit your head?
No,
You didn't hit your head.
Hello.
How does your
Is the
back
car
feel?
on the road?
fine, it's just my leg.
Just your leg. Well, you try and rest as much as you can.
Stop touching me.
All right, darling.
Yeah,
The kids have
he
just
is
witnessed
kind
a
of in a
crash and
recovery
that
position anyway.
You take care.
The guy's on the middle of the floor. It's alright.
I'm just trying to help you, love.
He's here too.
I know I can't do nothing about your leg
Alright.
because I don't touch
I
it.
just asked.
Nobody
I
should
just
touch
asked,
it.
that's all.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, they are away at the moment.
Thank you.
If you need anything to help you
Yes.
rest
Oh,
better,
right now he's on the phone to the ambulance.
Does anybody of you live near here?
Yes,
I live
do.
here.
Would somebody rather put the bike in a place where it's not going to get stolen?
It's going out of garden, can't it?
Yeah.
Alright,
Right
I'll
now
let you
it's
go, don't
leaking
worry.
petrol.
It is leaking petrol,
Alright,
is it?
don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, in the street.
Well, at the moment you're leaning on it, so
I need to keep my arm up.
Yeah,
Might just try and
they're
take some
fine, they're
pictures
okay.
for,
There's my phone.
for insurance purposes as well.
Yeah, I was just asking. Alright, bye, I gotta go, bye.
So ambulance is on the way for you, okay? You say the pain's below your right knee.
Can you see anything sticking out of my leg below the right knee?
Not with your...
Not the way your leg
not with your
Not
legs
the
on.
It doesn't look overly deformed, to be honest with you. And I certainly can't see anything sticking out. You say it's all below your right knee?
Yep, it's top of the right calf muscle
Yeah. Try and keep still.
and the right kneecap.
Okay.
You might have dislocated your knee in that case.
Is the police being called?
I've just called the ambulance.
Well, and it's an accident.
Do you want to rest your head at all?
Oh.
I've got my scissors and my kit in the garage, but I don't really want to risk touching.
No, you don't.
Scissors?
Not.
You know, so I help volunteer with St John Ambulance. So I've got the kit in the house to cut it all off. But I'm
No.
not going to. No, I'm not going to.
No, that's an ambulance job. You don't touch bikers' gear unless you. I should know. I had a motorbike licence down site longer, and I've had a car licence.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, Andy's gone over there. Right, I'm getting off the phone now. Alright? I know, and that's why I just asked and you went off on them. Yes, they are, and I told you. I'm not stupid. Right, I'll see you later, bye.
You tell him.
Alright, Nadia, you take care, lovely. Alright. Yeah, I'm only downstairs if you want me. Alright? What happened?
I was coming down the road, he cut across in front of me.
Well, I heard the toot. Somebody toot her on.
We went to quote.
Yeah, I heard the screaming.
That was my kids.
Yeah, we thought it was a kid that got it, that's why.
Yeah,
I
no.
was in my kitchen, I'm making cakes.
If I pass out, tell the ambulance I lost consciousness for
Are you
however long
feeling,
it was.
Are you feeling very dizzy and very faint?
I got my face in a puddle of
You've got
petrol,
it on
yeah.
the dash cam.
Okay.
Good man.
I was driving, I was just in front there, it was behind.
Do you wanna,
I couldn't
would you mind
stop
keep
it,
trying to
I
talk
thought,
to me
"What's
maybe?
the
Try and keep you listening and awake?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah? What was you doing on your bike today? Where were you going?
To get shopping.
Get shopping? Where from? Anything nice?
Oh, by the way, this is a live broadcast as well.
Oh,
I'm using
really?
my camera with a hotspot on my phone, so it has been recorded and broadcast on YouTube. Shit.
Okay. Is there a way we can turn that off to give you back privacy?
Privacy, so
Yeah.
whoever calls it can just lie about it or drive off. No,
No, then David, isn't it? Yeah, he wouldn't do that.
that's what the last person said.
Yeah, well, his car's just is damaged too, so he won't be able to just drive off. What shopping were you getting? Food shopping?
Anybody have any painkillers?
No, you can't have painkillers,
Yeah,
sweetheart.
no. The ambulance, when they get here, they'll be able to give you as much as you want in so many ways, alright, which will help ease the pain. Paracetamol, I don't think are going to do it unless it goes through IV, straight through the veins, and it's a lot stronger that way. I do think we need to maybe just move the bike.
I think we just need to leave everything as like not
Okay,
move
well, it's
him.
dripping up petrol all down here and it's really strong.
Okay.
And this is what's making him feel quite...
Not as painful as I would be.
Not much coming out there though, is it? There's only a little...
Yeah, it's only a bit of a drip, but it's quite strong, quite potent. And I don't want the fumes to affect...
I mean, I'd rather not take any pictures, but I feel like I should take a picture of like, where we are now. If we're going to move the
Do you
bike.
feel comfortable like that if we can move your bike?
You've got my best for sure.
It's keeping my arms up is what's stopping the pain from feet.
Okay, alright, alright.
Just leave everything as it is.
Yeah.
If you can, I would, really.
That's what I was always taught.
Would you want? We've got some dripping going on here.
Probably a bit of sand. Has anyone want any a bit of sand or something?
There's obviously a bit of petrol inside, but not very little teeny stool under the bonnet.
How are you feeling apart from the pain? I mean, paint-wise?
I thought it was a kid for my kids.
No, I know. Well,
You still there?
I know, I did.
Sorry, I keep talking to you. I just want to make sure that you're still alert
I was watching
and not passed out.
I was making a coffee and a cigarette at the time. Heard the kids scream at the bang.
Oh.
Kids better